Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So let's do a check-in. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. And just close your eyes and place a hand or two over your heart. And take a deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out, releasing any tension, anything that might be holding you back. And take another deep breath in through your nose. And sigh it out. And just continue to release, let go. Just breathing nice and easy. Allowing that breath to flow from the top of your head down across your body. Releasing anything that you might be hanging on to, anything that might feel stuck for you. Any emotions or thoughts that might be lingering that no longer serve you. Just continue to breathe. And with your intention, release anything that feels stuck. Relaxing your body and your mind. Continuing to breathe. That breath is your life force. Allow that breath to nurture you and nourish you. Now, draw your attention to your heart center, to your spiritual heart. And just allow that feeling of love, that appreciation for yourself to expand out. And take this time for you to ground yourself into this awareness, allowing your heart to open to divine love. Allowing the breath to flow, to nourish you. Where in your life have you not been giving yourself the attention, the love that you need? If you have been giving of yourself to others and depleting yourself, where can you return that love, that energy back to you? Where can you, in your life, give you that attention and nourishment that you need? Take a moment to really feel into this and reflect on it. You are deserving and worthy of your own love and attention. Remember, you are a gift. You are divine essence. You are divine love. Just intend on that divine love to fill your heart and to expand out. And if you are feeling any emotion, whatever it is. It could be grief or sadness, or maybe joy and universal love. Whatever it is, just allow yourself to feel it, to understand it. The understanding of these emotions helps us to move forward, to progress forward. But we don't need to stay here if it is a lower vibrational emotion. Just understand it and recognize it. And then send yourself love and healing to transmute that lower frequency, that lower vibration. You get to choose how you want to feel in every moment. And now envision a beautiful violet flame embracing you, transmuting any lower frequency energies that might be lingering. Just allow this violet flame to nourish you. Now you can sit with this vision, with this image, as long as you like. And just remember, when you are ready, just take your time to bring your awareness back into your body, back into the space. Don't rush through this. Take this time for you. Thank you for being here. Namaste.